It's been a little while, but we're back. So welcome back to TMP Finance, where you make long and short-term investing simple. I've been having some technical difficulties with TradingView over here. Been getting a lot of ads. So if you do see an ad pop up, please ignore it. Also, my charts haven't been working, but I've gotten the charts working now. There's still the ad problem. I'm gonna get it fixed up very soon. But without further ado, let's get started in today's video. Let's take a look at some of the stocks that currently have a lot of very interesting price action around them. Some trades that can be taken in the short term. We'll also take a look at the nasdaq here as well. Starting off with the nasdaq, let's take a look. We're currently sitting at 23,526 in the nasdaq 100. Right now, where am I expecting to go? Very simple. We are in a bull trend. We've been making higher highs and higher lows, and I haven't seen a break of that, so there's no reason for me to be concerned. I'm still holding my position. It's still open because, again, how high we go, the sky's the limit for the nasdaq. Sometimes you get bull rallies of 60-70%, and I, for one, do not want to miss out on that if that is the case here, especially after recovering all the space. I think we can see a very good push to the upside there. But right now, when am I looking for a buying opportunity? There's a couple buying opportunities that are currently around us. The first one is going to be a break of this rising resistance line over here. If we do receive a break from the upside, then you are looking to purchase. Another time could be a bounce off of this support line over here. Again, this range is tightening up. I'm expecting something soon to happen that would be a very parabolic move to either to the up or downside. I am waiting for confirmation. So this support line is not a great place to buy right now, I don't think. But right now, what could you be looking for if you are holding position open and you're looking to know when to close your position? This is what I'm looking for here. Obviously, a lower low is going to be a very obvious indicator that we are taking a move to the downside there. But if you're looking for a support level break, I am looking for a break of 22,900. That could be a very good contender for us to come back all the way down to previous all-time highs, all the way down to about 22,100. And then from there, we could literally just get a retest and then continue moving up higher. These previous all-time high levels always get retested. There's like a 100% chance that they will get retested. One, it doesn't have to be this month. It could very well be in a year or two from now, just like how we just got the 2022 retest just this year. If we zoom out, I'll show you right here. It was a very clean retest, and then we moved straight back up into new all-time highs. So that could be a very good possibility. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the NASDAQ. Speaking about the NASDAQ, let's take a look at the heat map over here. Today was a not so great day for the NASDAQ. If I haven't mentioned it, we were down 0.57%. And it's been mostly red for everything in the NASDAQ here. Aside from Tesla, Tesla did well. And I actually told all my Discord members about a Tesla trade that is doing extremely well for us right now. And we will get a little bit better look into that in a second. But right now, heat map is very mixed. And actually, let's move on to Tesla right now. This is what I'm looking for, Tesla's chart. We've had this falling resistance line and this rising support line showing that the market price is getting tighter and tighter, and that something is just waiting to happen. We did get a sweep of liquidity to the downside here. We did get a little bit of a support break, but then we came back up very, very strong. We saw those bulls come in, and then we got a break of this resistance line. That being said, my trade for Tesla is very simple, and if you were part of my Discord community, you would have got this this message in. We bought at about $326 a share. My stop loss is currently, it was currently below here at the swing low here, about $306 a share. But currently it is at the previous low of day over here at about $319 a share. And then my take profit is all the way up at about $360 a share. 360 is very possible. I'm looking over here at where we got all these peaks at the previous swing high. So I think 362, just under 363 could be a very good contender for take profit. Tesla's been tightening up, and I think right now we're getting a lot of momentum to the upside. I think this can be a very good trade that you can capitalize on, even if you're looking to get rid of some risk and cash out. Just in case you don't make it all that high, you could look at the previous top over here. This previous high about $355 a share, and then your stop loss is just breaking even, and then that's obviously a fantastic trade there. In the Discord community, we currently are beating the stock market by about 589% in total. That's 413% for stocks and 176.18% for the NASDAQ 100. So if you are interested in getting these trades like this one here for Tesla and lots of others, you can take a look at the link in my description for the Discord link there. You're going to get all the trades that I take in real time, take profits, stop losses, percent risk allocation, and also free one-on-one sessions and so much more. So if you are interested, go ahead and take a look. Let's take a look at my favorite cash cow, AMD. We have made an insane amount of money from AMD this year. It has been insane. We first closed our trade at about 179 here, buying all the way down at 93.55. That's a 91% return. We also placed this other trade here on AMD where we purchased right at the swing low over here, and then we just cashed out at about $170 a share. That was another 8.5%. So currently we've doubled our money with AMD, and that's even before our 3 times leverage. So we've probably made over 300% with AMD. And we are looking to make more money with AMD here in the Discord community. And with this trade right here, we see that AMD is tightening up here. You have the support rising, you have this falling support or falling resistance that we can't break above. If we do get that break above, very simple, that is great fuel for all-time highs. AMD's been moving up super rampantly, and there is a lot of eyes on AMD right now, and they are getting into a lot of great business deals, especially with China, and they are even beating out nvidia in some of their areas there. So that being said, very simple, swing low. My stop loss is right at the swing low here at about $164 a share. Take profits at all-time highs. Great risk reward, 5.3. Don't need to overcomplicate it. Very simple. Taking risk off if we do break below the support level over here, and then I'm looking to short all the way back down, probably to another top here, like 146. But I don't think that's going to be happening. I think the most likely scenario is going to be that bull scenario. UNH is a bit of a messy chart. It's hard to trade. But right now, UNH was all the way up at $6.30 a share. We've fallen all the way down to about $252 a share. It's a 60% drop. It's absolutely insane. Right now for UNH, there's not a lot to go off of because this market's been very volatile. And it's been very emotionally charged. It's hard to get a good support or resistance line drawn from it. So that being said, or just any technical in general, that being said, I have this guidance of the highest points that we've been in this falling market over here. And right now it looks like we have broken above some sort of resistance line here. We are changing the sentiment here, exiting out of that lower Bollinger Band, which is a great sign. Right now, what you could be doing if you're looking for a somewhat high risk but low risk trade at the same time, high risk meaning that it could be very easy to break your stop loss, but low risk meaning that it is a great risk reward ratio of about 20. I've had trades like this. We've made trades like this in the Discord. It is very, very possible for this to happen. This could be a very good trade. Risk a little bit of money into it, something that you're not really going to care about if you lose at all, but you will make a very good upside in about a year or two when we do recover from UNH. If you are looking for more confirmation, which I think could be a very smart idea, we'll probably have something like this in UNH where we have this path. We're going to make some higher highs, higher lows, and then eventually we'll break the upside. I'm placing my trade at the break of the upper Bollinger Band, my stop loss right at the swing low, and then take profit all the way up at about 627 again, because it is the #1 health insurer for the US. I don't think it's going anywhere. Again, 8 risk reward ratio, 100%. So you're doubling your money there in one trade. I think that's a very good contender for a trade there. But that's going to be a wrap for today. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you are interested in getting more information about becoming a day trader or swing trader, come take a look at the link in my description. But that's it. I will see you tomorrow. Later, y'all.